Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and haven't seen my face before, then my name is Anais and thank you for finding me. Please stay if you did, so don't forget to subscribe. But for today's video, I'm going to sit down with you, try out a Halloween look, because if you check out my Instagram, which should fly across the screen now, I've tried out the Joker Halloween makeup look, and I've also done like a spooky skull kind of thing. I'm getting into the spooky season mood a little bit, so I thought I would film a video. So a lot has actually changed since I last filmed a video. I now have a replacement computer. I have a ring light because it was my birthday and my dad kindly bought me a ring light, so I've got a little bit of a proper setup now for filming. And I also got my septum pierced, if you can see. Yeah, I got that done as well. I'm just gonna sit down with you, kind of just speed up my makeup. I just thought it would be a fun thing to film, and please stay tuned for the final result. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy. So without further ado, let's get spooky. So that is the finished makeup look. I am super happy with the way it turned out. It's actually really freaky, like. I also love this wig. It's £2 from not Primark, Poundland, which it's not the best wig ever in the world, and you can see it is a wig obviously because I haven't really worn wigs before, but I'm super happy with how this look turned out. This look was inspired by a photo I saw on Pinterest. I do not know the name of the original artist. I just really wanted to try it out for myself because I think it looks super cool, and I think adding a wig makes it look super Halloween-y too. So if you did like this video, please smash a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to find more videos like this. I'm hoping to do a few more Halloween looks before actual Halloween, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you soon for another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!